As autumn paints the world in brilliant colors and leaves drift gently to the ground, nature hands us a golden opportunity. Those fallen leaves aren't just something to rake away, they're gardener's gold. In this video, you'll discover how to turn them into rich, nourishing compost that will transform your garden. Composting leaves is easy, eco-friendly, and a fantastic way to save money while boosting your soil's health. We'll show you how to recycle those leaves into a powerful natural resource. So grab your rake and join us. Let's learn how to compost leaves like a pro and give your garden and the planet a reason to celebrate. Ready to turn those crunchy autumn leaves into garden gold? Let's dive into the art of collecting leaves for composting, because a little know-how can make your compost pile truly thrive. Timing and technique are your secret weapons here. Here's the trick. Grab your leaves when they're dry. Dry leaves are a breeze to handle and won't stick together, so your compost gets the airflow it needs to break down fast. Wet leaves? Not so great. They clump up, block air, and slow everything down, leaving you with a soggy, smelly mess instead of rich compost. Let's avoid that. So wait for a bright sunny day after the rain or morning dew has dried up. That's your golden window. Leaves are crisp, easy to collect, and perfect for composting. Now let's talk tools. The right rake can make leaf collection a total breeze. Pick the one that fits your garden and your style. Got a cozy yard or delicate flower beds? A classic rake is your best friend. Gentle on your plants, tough on those leaves. But if you're dealing with a leaf avalanche, power up with a leaf blower or lawn vacuum. These gadgets make quick work of big jobs and keep your energy high. With these tools, you'll zip through leaf collection, piling them up in no time. Less raking, more relaxing. Once you've got a mountain of leaves, it's time for the magic step, shredding. Smaller pieces mean faster, even composting. Shredding isn't a must, but it's a game changer. More surface area means decomposers can work their magic at lightning speed. The smaller the pieces, the faster your compost pile transforms into rich, dark goodness. You'll be amazed at how quickly things break down. No shredder? No problem. Run over your leaves with a lawnmower or use a mulching mower. It's quick, easy, and super effective. Remember, dry, shredded leaves are the secret sauce for composting success. They're packed with carbon, the browns that balance out your kitchen scraps and grass clippings. Follow these lively steps and you'll be on your way to creating nutrient-rich compost that transforms your garden. Healthier soil, happier plants, and a garden that truly shines. Now that's composting like a pro. So, you've just raked up a mountain of crispy golden leaves. Now what? Get ready because it's decision time. Choosing your composting method is where the magic really begins. Composting isn't just recycling, it's transforming garden waste into pure gold for your plants. But with so many options, how do you pick the one that's perfect for you? Let's zoom in on two superstar methods, the classic compost bin and the laid-back leaf mold pile. Each has its own superpowers, and the right choice depends on your gardening style. Both have their strengths and quirks, so let's break it down. By the end, you'll know exactly which path will lead you to composting glory. First up, the traditional compost bin. This is your all-in-one powerhouse. Toss in kitchen scraps, garden clippings, even some paper, and watch it all transform into rich, dark compost. Compost bins come in all shapes and sizes, wire mesh, sturdy plastic, you name it. Some are built for easy turning, which means faster results and less waiting around. The trick? Pick a bin that fits your space and your lifestyle. Think about how much waste you create and how much room you have to spare. Bins give you control. They lock in heat and moisture, creating the perfect environment for speedy decomposition. The result? Gorgeous, nutrient-packed compost in record time. But maybe you're more of a set-it-and-forget-it gardener. Enter leaf mold composting. This method is as easy as it gets. Just pile up those leaves and let nature do its thing. All you need is a simple enclosure. Chicken wire works great to keep your leaves in place. Over time, they'll break down into a crumbly, earthy material called leaf mold. Sure, it takes a bit longer, think a year or two, but there's almost zero effort required. Just pile, wait, and let the magic happen. So, which method wins? It all comes down to your goals. Need compost fast and want to recycle everything? Go for the bin. Bins are perfect for the hands-on gardener who loves to see quick results and enjoys a little composting action. But if you're patient and want a super soil booster with almost no work, Leaf mold is your secret weapon. It's amazing for improving soil structure and holding moisture. No matter which path you choose, your garden will thank you. Compost bin or leaf mold, you're on your way to a thriving, eco-friendly paradise. But wait, before you start tossing everything into your bin or pile, here's the real secret to composting success. Balance your browns and greens. Browns are your dry materials. Think leaves, straw, and cardboard. Greens are your fresh stuff like grass clippings, veggie scraps, and coffee grounds. The magic ratio? Aim for about 3 parts browns to 1 part greens. This balance keeps your compost cooking, prevents bad smells, and helps everything break down beautifully. Too many greens? Things get soggy and stinky. Too many browns? Decomposition slows to a crawl. Keep your pile moist, like a wrung-out sponge, and give it a turn every now and then if you're using a bin. For leaf mold, just let nature take its course. With the right method and a perfect balance of browns and greens, you'll be composting like a pro in no time. Your plants and the planet will thank you. Let's get composting.